So, question 9 covers expanding brackets. So we have A, 5, open up brackets, P minus 2, close brackets, 3 multiplied by 5 minus T, and 4 multiplied by D plus 3R. And I guess you need to know how to expand brackets, and if you forgot or if you're still unsure on how to do it, I would suggest this protocol. I would suggest this strategy. So first of all, you can do this on your draft paper. Circle all the terms. So you have 5, you have P, and you have -2. Now, when I'm circling the number or the variable and the sign next to it, and this is very important because my next step would be this. I would grab what's on the outside, which is 5 in this case, and multiply it by the first term inside, which is P. 5 times P is 5P. Then 5 multiplied by -2 is -10. As you may remember, a positive integer multiplied by a negative integer would give me a negative integer. So my final answer is 5p minus 10. Now, the reason why I told you to follow this strategy is you will no longer have to worry about what sign to include in the middle because it will show itself if you follow the strategy. Got it? So let us do the same thing for the rest. So for B, for example, it is 3, 5 minus t. So the terms I have are 3, 5, and -t. I'm going to multiply 3 by 5 first. So that's going to be 3 times 5. And then, which is 15, of course. So let me just write 15. And then 3 multiplied by -t is -3t. This is also my final answer. I'm done. I can no longer simplify this expression any further because you cannot mix constants. So I don't want to see this on the day of the exam. 15 minus 3t is not 12t. Be very careful. You cannot mix this 15 with the 3t. These are two different entities. And we're going to do the same with C for d plus 3r. So our first term is 4. Our second term is d. And our third term is positive 3r. We're going to apply the same logic. What's 4 times d? 4d. And what's 4 multiplied by positive 3r? That is positive 12r. And this is my final answer as well. Why? Because I cannot mix the variables d and r. These variables are not like terms. Therefore, this is my final answer. And this pretty much covers what expanding brackets is. It is just a strategy that you need to follow, and it will always get you to the correct answer, believe me.